kira race 1 dah dapat P2, race 2 kira accident. Starting nak masuk tu kita semua macam teragak-agak, kira terlanggar tayar orang depan. Lepas tu kira jatuh, orang daripada belakang langgar kepala kira. Tapi alhamdulillah kira okey. Pusingan kedua, kira ready, kira nak fight.
Like, the last round was so unfortunate. The bike gave up on me. Basically, overheating issues. I could only manage to go through race 1 and did not start for race 2. So, really, really unfortunate. For this race, I've invested about more than 20,000 on the radiator. So, the bike has no issues right now. I've gone on the track for track day. It's behaving really well. Again, last race was I can blame the bike. This time around, it's all me. This year I'm using the BMW S1000 R. Still trying to get the feel of the bike. It's quite hard for me to get hold of the bike. Last year I was overall champion for GP Master category. This year I have a bit of pressure because I want to uphold my championship. But never mind, I just try to enjoy first, do my best and enjoy the ride. Dalam racing team kami pakai minyak dari Hi-Ref, iaitu Top Fully Synthetic 40 Pro dengan teknologi Ester Plus. So kelebihan minyak ni ialah dalam kegunaan perlumbaan, high temperature, dia still boleh tahan dan juga berikan performance yang terbaik untuk tiga-tiga motor ni. From racing street to road, memang boleh pakai.